In today's video, I will be showing you Zebronics Zeb Warrior 2.2 Multimedia Dual Channel Stereo Speakers, probably the best mid-range budget speaker for PC with RGB LED in it. You can get many options under 1000 rupees, but it may rarely have RGB in it. Then why this only? Because it's today, every gaming setup, either budget setup or high-end costly setup, they must have RGB effect in it, other than RGB keyboard and mouse. So, this speaker, well, not actually a gaming speaker, but if you are in a budget, then this will be the best choice for you. We will talk about its pros and cons. First, appearance. On the very first look, it seems premium and is lightweight. The speaker is made of hard plastic, is of normal size, and has a volume control knob on one of them. It also has grill finish on front RGB rings. Now RGB LEDs. Each speaker has two LED rings, which gives different color in breathing mode, which looks cool when kept alongside of your monitor and gives a really fabulous impression either when your friend visits you or yes, on your Insta stories too. Now sound. If speaker is that good but it does not have good sound, then what's the point? Though it does not have bass, I have tested it on different types of song and especially on games. The sound is quite clear whether it's of someone walking on grass or of gun sounds. Movie watching and song listening experience is also good. The speaker is enough to turn your room into a party room, means it is loud enough for a room and a small hall. Now we will talk about its cons. Everything has a negative side, but it's relative and vary from person to person. First, wire. The connecting wire is of very low quality and non-braided and sometimes feels like it can break, but hopefully it is alright up till now. No bass. The speaker does not have a bass bar. If it has, it can give you an immersive sound experience both in gaming and other media tasks. Clarity. Though sound is clear, but sometimes at high volume or at some points you may feel that sound is bursting out. But at this price range, this is quite acceptable because it happens very rarely. RGB. We cannot control the RGB LEDs and it does not sync with the system sounds or lights. Wire connecting the speaker is short in length, due to which I have to put left speaker on right and right speaker on the left side, and later have to switch the audio channel through a software. Now the final question. Should you buy it? Yes, if you are into casual gaming and don't want to use headphones sometimes. Yes, if you watch movies and listen to songs casually. Yes, if you want a RGB speaker and want to make your setup look cool. Though headphones are best for gaming, but every setup should have at least a stereo speaker and this is the best in budget. So, my final review will be
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया